is different from Kaloy here in Paris compared to the Tokyo Games when he made his debut?
I think it's the mental preparation that really allowed Carlos Yulo to be at his best. In Tokyo, he kind of felt too much pressure, and he put that pressure on him, right? So I believe, yes, the gold medal win of Kyle was big for him as well. And his own first gold medal.
Maybe. For Kaloy, we all can't wait for him to come back here to the Philippines. Would you know what his next plans are? Is he staying there in Paris for a little while to, enjoy his victory?
I believe a big majority of the Philippine contingent will be planning. It's still being arranged by to make sure that there will be a good welcome for everyone. Yung tanong na lang nga dyan is kailan lalabas yung listahan ng pinakamayayamang Pilipino and kung anong number na si Kaloy. Dahil ang dami nga ng incentives kahit saan nagagaling to appreciate. So our